Morning, you guys. Welcome to the vlog. Mommy, you can see the thinness. Yes, the mommy going to clean my hair for me. Mommy? Watch my mother in a 6 shirt. Jesus, is that me can't win. And a yard Christian. You know me look now as the lyric?
Look at what it say.
What it say? Sex symbol. Oh, the wish. Because I say I must get juke to blow cup. So I'm telling you, I'm do my ear way neater. Then I'm gonna put in back the oil stuff and then put it in between and put on back my bonnet. So I did came to my ears today. And they keep on my bonnet all day yesterday with the oil. So I'm going to re-oil and re-bonnet up. I'm going to buy...
full of oil.
No, my edges, you have to keep your hair moisturized in order for you to go long and nice and fix it. Every single day, I just kind of oil get in my ear. But I'm going to buy my leave-in conditioner yet. I'm going to buy my oil yet. For my edges, nothing. Hair going to be thick and nice and my edges going to come right back. I'm working on my edges, you guys. I even looking at videos to see how I can do my edges. So I've been working on my edges. Good afternoon. Everything you need is in that bag. Just have fun. And I'll see you later. Go over.
Mom, come to Yalla.
Wait, that's so hard.
My
heart belongs to my mama.
Hey, wait a minute. I mean, Pigeon Man's down here. Who's back on the rooftop watching his pigeons? Nobody.
I've told that story 1,000,000 times.
I told him over there?
Yeah.
Okay. You're good.
That's it? Just come over, just say hi. That's it?
So,
No, but I'm supposed to say hi right there, so then I come over, so the one bag of woman just to say hi. Who in here wants to see me? Who in here wants to see me? Anybody? Ah, then hi. I'm going to check on the boys. You know, see me right there, so look at your camera, that bag of woman just... No, Trisha. Fuck, man.
Whatever. Boys, you're up attacking. And attackies are winners, right?
Yes, Dad.
I remember the first time your sister overwhelmed you. You don't have to prove anything. If you lose, you win. If you try to win, you'll probably lose. So get out there and lose. Whoa. Mom? She's read that story 1,000,000 times. She's got it.
Man, I can't believe Outta thinks Pigeon Man is so great now.
Yeah, who does he think he is?
Into us.
I know, you're just as smart as any kid there. The only thing that can beat you is your attitude.
Hey, you're right, Grandpa. All I have to do is think positive. Here, ask me. Swears to snap one.
Now remember, Pumpkin, all these other kids have studied and...
And for even more information, you can visit their new website at
How's the pizza?
The mushroom pizza was exceptional. Are these bits of pineapple? Now that's strange.
Somebody paid you the prize money anyway. Oh, it's not that. It's more like just making sure that the kid's the best speller really wins. Come on, there must be something you want to buy with those. She's got it.
Let's see. Wall. Q-U-A-L.
Ooze like
Hey.
You got it.
That is...
Yes.
You know what would be funny? What if we went over to Pigeon Man's roof while he's away and messed with his dog?
Or any of the Registrar General's Department offices island-wide and request assistance on the Operation Birthright program. For more information on Operation Birthright or to see whether you are eligible on the program, visit mixfax.com or rgd.gov.jm. Conditions apply.
love police. Go. Thank you. Want to carry your iPad? What you must say? Always remember that, okay? He did not have to take us up. Go in the car. Go up there, sir. Go up there, sir. Won't be able to get to buy the throw you. Oh, they're not open. Jesus Christ, and the taxi gone. Oh my God, I'm annoyed. So we have to go to this place right here. So then, remember the kind of place I was telling you about? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna look at it. Right, them not open either. Candleland don't open. Oh my gosh, and there's nothing else. I'm so sorry. I really thought that they would have been open in a. Level. I love my level. I love my level. I love my level. I love my level. You not laugh. You not laugh. Laugh. I love my lebe. I love my lebe. You know that? I love my lebe so much. I love my lebe.
Mom, 25 plus 25 is 50.
Yes, Papa.
And 90 plus 90 is 20. Yeah?
90 plus what?
90 is 20.
I love you.
It's the return of the irregular. Substitute pencils with laptops and handhelds, so you know I'm credible, at least more so than these so-called artists. With your density up like they ain't used to be the softest, but my flow has been hardened like gemstones. Colder than placing a brother in the friend zone. Lines spray like mace because I never hesitate. I just write and regulate, then I let them marinate like that. Honestly, it's pretty simple, cause your flow is so-so, and that's where the thimbles nimble enough to enter the club, leave undetected like a triangle run. So homie, what's up? Old man, word to the land, won't you please understand that
I'm going to show you guys how to just look a little bit more presentable in your vlogs, especially if you're at home. Because what I recognize is that, like, before I left, I used to do like specific things when I got up. Before I started a vlog, I was like, geez, I have not been doing those things. So let me walk you through like what I do before I start my vlog, isn't it? So this is like the same. This is I'm continuing from yesterday, but I'm doing this as a new day. So I just changed my top and then same shorts. You know, cause shorts can always put on back, you know. So now I'm going to wrap my hair. If I wasn't wrapping my hair, I would have combed it, but I put my oil in my hair this morning, so I'm going to disturb that. So I'm just going to wrap it. And I'm wearing scarf on my head, scarf on my as a top. I do different head wraps. So yeah. Jonathan is up, I think. Yes?
Put this in the garbage and put it in the sink.
Garbage. Told him put in the garbage.
Okay.
Right there. Earrings. Alright, so I'm looking at beanie earrings. If you want to do hoops, that's fine, but because I know some around for the boys or play with the boys or something with the boys, I have to put in like smaller hoop, isn't it? So smaller hoops, and then I'm going to be putting on my lashes. Now the lashes that I'll be wearing, they're from my own collection, Pomade lashes, and I'll be wearing Latoya lashes, but I normally have glue on them, so I'm going to be removing the glue and then putting on the lashes. So this is what Latoya lashes look like. Well, I guess we won't put it on, and I can't say we just hold it up. So it takes, these are just added steps that I choose to do, and I pretend as if I'm going to work. So you know, when you get up for go work, I be that so same thing, except my job is YouTube. So far be it from me to just roll out of my bed and say, hey guys, you know, there's some amount of preparation that must take place. Now the beauty of my job is that I can just roll out of my bed and say, hey guys, because I'm not going in for anybody. Like, you are really coming on my, you are you are on my platform and you are offering up your opinions about what I'm doing. Is my public platform, as I should say, and that's fine. But you know, watch your mouth. Oh, okay. So I use hair glue, and somebody said, "Lyric, use hair glue." I'm gonna say, no, you know, I'm gonna use Gorilla. A Gorilla glue me use. Man, is ear glue ear glue. I when one eyelash them pop off for you something like one bunny, just up off for your eyelash.
Why so much clothes in here?
Why so much clothes in here?
Yeah.
I don't know, Jalil. Did you put them in here?
No.
Well, I did not either. So how would I know why so much clothes in here? Let me put them in here.
It's you. We will do that.
Hot. Rose need to be groomed so bad. I need a scrub for my skin because this bump is annoying me. I need a scrub. Then I forgot about my bleaching soap that I use. And what else? I need a couple things. Alright, I need to fix this lash. You've gone too far over there, so.
Mommy, knock.
Who's there?
None of your business.
None of your business. Who? You must say none ya.
None of your business.
No, you must say none ya. Knock.
None. Go there.
None ya. Then they say none ya who?
None of your who?
None of your business. That's what you must say. Yeah, it says a knock. Who's there? None ya. None ya who? None of your business. That's what you say.
Knock.
Who's there?
None.
None of your who?
None of your business.
Good job! You learn so quickly, Papa. So I'm going to bring over this lash. This one over here. Be quiet now. You wake up. Baby, you're alive. Hello. Oh no. Oh, okay. Calm down. Just a little bit more presentable, and you're still at home. Just lashes, hair groomed, cute thingies, and you're done. And if I want to go a step further, if I want my tattoo to come up, I'll just put some little bit of makeup on. So let's do that. What time is it, somebody please? Doubt it. So I am just going to cover my spots. Is all. Who called me? I'm using the wrong brush. This is the brush I should be using. It just covers it up way better. So I chose this brush because it's dense. It's a denser brush, and because I have hyperpigmentation, I do have acne scarring. A dense brush works better for me for makeup application. Now, if your face is not as bad discard as mine, you can use the fluffier brush, and the application will go on as like fine. But for me and for my preference, I prefer this brush, that one here. I love that brush here. Clean off with the makeup. That's what I do. I should have taken the nose rings out. Is what I should have done, but I remember for that. This now I'm highlighting, but I'm highlighting lightly. Now I will say this makeup look, this did not last throughout the day. When I say did not last, I started to sweat through it. Now, how I do my makeup on a daily basis, I don't sweat through my makeup. That's how I know my technique is. Ain't nobody effing with my technique, baby. So now I'm going to use the powder and just set everything. So the powder now, I'm gonna make everything look nice. So I'm using a fluffy brush again to set. I'm not using a dense brush, using a fluffy one because I just want the makeup to kind of be spread on my face rather than like apply as if I'll be doing it for the entire day. No, I just did my makeup for just to be at home, nothing else. But I actually went on the road. I tested this look. I did this look again, and I tested it and I hated it. So I wouldn't. This is not my everyday makeup at all. This is the makeup I wear when I'm at home. My chillax glam girl, feeling myself day makeup. This is it. But baby, like to go out on the road, it does not work with this Jamaican sun. It's going to. I was sweating through yesterday on the road, and I don't do that. Whoa. Like, yeah, just to fix my brows and do something here because it looks top heavy. Let me fix my brows. Ooh, I like this kind of vlog. It's all, you know, kind of girl. Oh, the fan. The fan noise must have that annoying, you know. I'm sorry. It's hot where I live. Oh my gosh. I have to turn on the fan. I'm gonna start sweat. Now, if you wrap your head, they can do your. So, when me do my makeup, put on with the head wrap on it, it never bother me. Because I never plan to take off the head for the rest of the day. So, where it's exposed, that is just where I put the makeup. Because I'm not doing a full face of makeup. I'm just covering the scarring and all that good stuff. For my brows, I didn't do how you can see them natural, regular, in a yard, looking cute, you know, type of vlog, especially if you're vlogging at home. And I do recognize that certain sceneries and settings, it works for you guys, and I will continue to do that for you. Remember, I am creating my content enough for myself on my channel, but if you're watching and you have suggestions like, hey Lyric, maybe you can try this, oh god baby, and I like it, I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna do it because I like it, baby. Remember, say yeah, watch too. Although I might something, yeah, watch it too. So bad to bad, I have to do something where you like to as well. Is it me? I love it. Look, I love it. God, look at my lips. Sorry, you guys. Let me tell you. You ever like somebody? I like how I talk to the personal, but when I talk to the personal turn here and I say, sir, I'll say is hello. Why this happened to my body? I that happened a while ago because I'm just something about my mouth. I remember when I say about my mouth, and I said. Look at my lips for true. Anyway, yeah, so this is sorry, god damn it. This is my scarf from the put on. I'm gonna do a different design and just show you. So right as I do this, the last part, I get one phone call, sorry. But just twist, and I push it in, and you're going to see in the next clip. That's all I did. And it's just a scarf. I have a lot of ways that you can tie your scarves, like turn your scarves into tops. If you want like a video on that, I can definitely do that for this month. We're not going to use the lotion here. We're just going to put on the stocking. We're just going to put on the stocking. We're not going to use the lotion. Here? You want to help me? Yes. Come. Oh.
Look like you want lotion between.
Lotion and then gonna stuck it. Yes, girl. Alright. Jaleel, like I put on that a while ago. All done. All done. All done. I'm gonna fix something now for Jonathan. Jonathan, you can't come out here. Mama, fix it, please. The lighting is better out here, so that inside. The fan here stop work where you said the fan man fixed yesterday.
Not that one. The fan man didn't fix it. He only fixed it the part we cut off. We break in.
Oh, this.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's many minutes.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, man. So this.
Working.
Yes.
That one we're in your room. Such a
this one. Okay. Oh.
No. Me not lose my hand. Here. Take it out of my hand. Yeah, take it out of my hand. See somewhere. Take off this. Take your finger, wipe it out.
It broke.
No, wipe out this.
That's what I was saying.
No, wipe out this out my hand.
Wipe out. Yes. It's not so?
That's where it goes.
So?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not doing anything, Johnny.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'm going to have to glue it in. I'm going to have to glue it in right up here, so. There's glue.
What if it just stick and it don't come out?
Right, that's why I need to glue it so, and not glue it down. So I glue it down so it never come up. So I need to open it and glue it down. So yes, I need to glue down, right? Just right up here, say no. Just right up here, so I need to glue down. At lotion. The crazy glue?
Mommy, yeah, that is hot, sir.
Did you get to go?